Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to search for users on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll notice there are actually several different ways you can search for users on Steam, and I'll walk you through each method so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's start with the most straightforward approach. In the upper left corner of your screen, click on Friends. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Add a Friend. This will take you to a dedicated page designed specifically for finding and connecting with other Steam users. Once you're there, look for the text field that says Enter your friend's profile name and click on it. Type in the username of the person you're looking for and press Enter. Steam will then display a list of results that match your search. Browse through these results carefully to make sure you've found the correct user. Once you've identified the right person, you'll see an Add as Friend button right beside their profile. Click it to send them a friend request. Now, if you happen to have someone's friend code, Steam offers an even faster way to connect. Navigate to the section that says Enter a friend code and click on it. Type in your friend's unique code here. If you want to add them, simply click Send Invite and your request will be sent immediately. If you want to explore even more search options, hover your mouse over Community in the upper left corner, then select Home from the drop-down menu. This brings you to Steam's Community Hub, where you can discover and connect with other players. In the right panel, you'll notice a Search for Friends text field. Click on it, then type the username you want to search for and press Enter. Just like before, you'll see a list of results appear. Browse through them to find the correct user, and if you want to add them, click the Add as Friend button right beside their profile. Finally, here's a useful method if you've recently played with someone and want to connect with them. In the upper left corner, hover your mouse over your username, then select Friends from the menu. In the left panel, click on Recent Played With. This will show you a list of players you've recently interacted with in games. Browse through the results, and if you want to add any of these users, simply click on their name. Once their profile opens in the right panel, click Add Friend to send them a request. And that's how you search for and add users on Steam using multiple methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.